feel this sadness. Whoa.
Now it's recording.
I know, I'm not going back to the water. Like stand, not sit.
Box, this is your video diary.
It's my video diary.
Yeah.
Do you think have SPF 30? You do. Bag over there. This water bottle.
This is Box's birthday's week, and that's my gift to him. I'm acting like I'm recording, Doc.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Hi.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, Box?
Oh, yeah, Steven. Steven, rub that on.
I need to see that video.
Face me. Face me. Face me. I'm zooming in on the abs. I'm zooming in on the abs. I got him. I got, yes, that's the abs. Now the face. Now the face. And scene. And scene. Yeah.
People fly the first time it is, it's so sandy, they're putting it on your face.
Agreed. Oh yes, you put on that sunblock.
Tape me. I hate taping.
I'm taping everyone.
I'll get behind you.
I can do this circle forever.
Who is this, Josh?
Yes.
I'll spray you in your camera. I don't want to waste it.
Why would you do that to Josh?
I don't want to be on film.
That's messed up. This is Josh's birthday week.
Oh, hi, happy birthday, Josh.
See, that's all you had to do.
There.
Have you seen Cloverfield? In this they do that, and then like the monster comes. So the monster's gonna come in a second.
And then you won't.
Oh, we'll see.
You'll have to catch up with me later.
Alright.
I'll let you know
How the monster goes? You can't hide, Tori. There's no hiding.
Stop it, Talon! Okay, you can only get my face. You can't get my body.
Alright, I promise. Headshot. Box told me to
Guess what I
record
got to
for his
do?
birthday.
Guess what I got to do? Steven walked over and he was like, hey Tori, will you put sunscreen on me? And I was like, yeah. So I was spraying it on him. And then he's like, rub it in! And I was like, yeah.
Ah, I like
It's hot.
it.
It's really hot.
This is Box's birthday weekend video. Tell him happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Box.
You
I'm
can go
sorry.
ahead and tell Doc too if you want.
I'm sorry that I forgot your birthday yesterday and I even talked to you.
That's messed up.
I know.
You know, I called Steven and them to remind them.
And they didn't?
No, they did. They did it before I reminded them.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Doc.
Yeah, I was gonna say good Doc then. We're just sweet guys. Steven, Josh told me to do this. And you gotta like tell him happy birthday. You can tell Doc too.
Happy birthday.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's happy now.
I just wanted to say happy birthday to Box and Dawkins. They're like 40 now. They are.
Hey, Chris is gonna throw one and I'm gonna try and just full out extend. Okay, video? Alright. What am I gonna throw?
I just threw straight.
What am I throwing?
A perfect throw.
It's gonna be hard to throw a ball.
Hold on. This is my videographer voice, by the way.
That's what I want. Hello and welcome to the Talon Channel. Welcome to Movie Phone, brought to you by Houston Press.
This is what I like to call frisbee floating in the water.
Are you ready?
It's a dramatic piece.
What is he doing?
I don't know. I'm trying that.
Frisbee floating in the water. And Matt. And Matt. And
What just happened?
look at Matt. Matt, Baywatch it. Matt, Baywatch.
Baywatch.
Oh yeah.
Yeah!
Matt threw up like 3 times before he came to the beach today.
Are y'all ready? Try again.
More of an angle. More of an angle.
Are you really? Oh, I thought you were going to do it.
Cal, we used to tape you.
I don't get on camera.
Huh?
I don't get on camera.
Yeah, you have to.
No,
You always take your face.
look, this body on camera, I don't want it. Hey,
Just turn around.
hey, this is a happy birthday video, not porn.
Broken wrist. Ah, that hurts.
Steven, no, look. Tell him to wait. Tell him to like face it out.
No, don't you do it.
Oh! Look at your face. Say hello. You gotta zoom back out or whatever.
No, I keep it zoomed in. Dramatic effect. Hi, this is the videographer. I just wanted to tell Box, happy birthday.
Man, this guy is sexy.
Dawkins, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday vacation.
Happy birthday vacation.
Alright,
Move our camp right here.
and that's Box
You
birthday.
can't move the whole thing.
Oh, no hands, McGee.
Do what you do.
We went sandwiches.
Yeah, I'll go couches. And then we'll come up here.
No one sandwiches. Not yet. Okay, not yet.
What the shiza? You hate the little pig. Little pig.
Best throw ever. Best throw ever.
That really was. I just want to get a good catch on film and then I'm done. I liked it.
Steven, grab it to me. Right here. Oh, Steven. Okay, good. On your toe.
I can't run right now, man. My feet hurt too bad.
Oh, I like it.
Catch it on your toe.
No! You should come play ultimate with us this Saturday night. Huh? Everybody's invited to the card.
On your toe.
Hey, it's really.
Why are you obsessed with the dough?
I think you're supposed to like spin it on his toe and like pat it.
IT, you ready? Alright, alright!
Oh. He tried. I want you to do that one again. I like this angle. Do that one again. I like this angle. This is a good angle. Do it and then get out of my way. I can see everything.
You can't get the dive.
The zoom's real good. You can see it. Trust me. The zoom's. Look at the zoom. Look at the zoom. Matt, come here. Look at it.
Yeah, but you can't see the dive from the side.
Yeah, you can. You can see everything, man. Steven will get his big head out of the way. Steven, get your head out of the way.
Hey! Go! Move your name from my head. That's terrible.
It's zoomed in. I got nothing but your nose.
Oh, that's good. I feel like I'm making
Sorry.
Come this way!
Matt almost hit that family. Oh, the girl and dog are cute. I thought she might be hot. Steven again has no hands. Nor can he throw.